Hello everybody, we have Cotty. Cotty wants cookies. And we have another quick unboxing here. This guy was a hard negotiator, but he finally settled on a reasonable price. So, it's from Wanted Designs, Kansas. So we're going to open this up. Yeah, I've been looking for one of these for a while. I kept missing them. Every time one came up with a reasonable price, I would miss it. And there's multiple versions of this unit. Ooh, Cotty wants to knock over the camera. I have to push her away. But she is just annoying today. This is a little older version, but it can be adapted easily to work on the modern machines. So. Yeah. Yeah, Cotty is just being annoying. Just sits there and wants to be the center of attention. Alright, so this is like a Rev C model, if I remember. The D's and the F's already have the transistors taken care of. There it is. Very well packed. Okay. This is a universal PLCC adapter for the BPM 1710. Came with a 84-pin PLCC adapter plate. So this you flip over if you need to use the rectangular, like a PLCC 32 or something. Look at the pins. She just wants to make this video difficult, huh? Pins look like they're in decent condition. Little oxidization, but nothing the pink pearl eraser won't take care of. Now, I'll test my little adapter pieces and I'll throw this in and we will back up that 93C46 right there. And I'll post it on my blog. So let's give Cotty her cookies. She wants her cookies. She is annoying. So we will say thank you for watching. Have a good day.